Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher not opening. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to fix the Rockstar Games Launcher not opening issue, you have to follow these steps. First, go to your desktop and click on the search box at the bottom. Type Windows Security and open it from the results. Once the security window opens, click on Virus and Threat Protection, then scroll down and select Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Scroll all the way down again until you see Exclusions, then click Add or Remove Exclusions. Click on Add an Exclusion, choose Folder, and now locate the Rockstar Games folder. Usually this is found by going to this PC, then C drive, then Program Files. Scroll down to the letter R, select the Rockstar Games folder, and click Select Folder. Once added, close the window and try launching the Rockstar Games Launcher to see if it works. If the launcher still doesn't open, there's another fix you can try. Open the search box again, type File Explorer, and open it. Go to this PC, then C drive, then go to Program Files, and find the Rockstar Games folder. Click once to highlight it, then right-click and choose Rename. Simply add a hyphen at the beginning of the folder name so it becomes something like this, then press Enter and confirm any permission prompts. After doing this, close File Explorer. Next, locate the Rockstar Games Launcher shortcut. If it's on your desktop, right-click it. If not, search for it using the search box. Right-click the launcher and select Open File Location. Once the folder opens, right-click the launcher again and click Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK. Now double-click the launcher and see if it opens successfully. If the launcher is still not working, the most common fix involves Microsoft OneDrive. OneDrive is known to cause compatibility issues with the Rockstar Games Launcher. If you don't actively use OneDrive, uninstalling it can often fix the problem. Go to the search box, type Settings, and then go to Apps. Here, go to Installed Apps. Then, in the search box at the top, type OneDrive. If Microsoft OneDrive appears, click the three dots next to it and select Uninstall, then follow the on-screen steps to remove it from your PC. After uninstalling OneDrive, restart your computer and try launching the Rockstar Games Launcher again. And your problem will be fixed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Rockstar Games Launcher not opening. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.